Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best selfie sticks is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for capturing memorable moments, allowing you to extend your reach, fit more people in the frame, and take creative shots that would be difficult to achieve otherwise. In this video, I will review 10 selfie sticks, highlighting their features, pros, and cons to help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. GoPro Selfie Stick. It's incredibly compact, extending from 7 to 19 inches. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry in your pocket or bag. The soft rubber grip provides a comfortable and secure hold, unlike other selfie sticks with plastic handles. With 3 extendable sections and a convenient twist lock, it's simple to adjust to your desired length of up to 19 inches. It's compatible with a wide range of action cameras, including GoPro Hero models, a Queso, and more. Please note that it does not have a button and is not for mobile phones. Perfect for capturing photos and videos during various activities, from family gatherings to extreme sports like snowboarding and surfing, both indoors and outdoors. What we like? It's small enough to fit in your pocket, yet extends to 19 inches. The comfortable rubber grip prevents slippage. If you need a portable and easy-to-use selfie stick for everyday adventures, this is the one for you. What people say. It works great, used it for 5 to 8 hours each day. It has no rust anywhere on it from the salt water. The stick is very easy to use. Easy to extend and lock, and easy to shorten. It's very lightweight, so it doesn't add much bulk to your luggage. It also tightens nicely, holding the GoPro securely. This product is very nice quality, nice firm rubber grip that extends back and forth very easily. You just twist it to lock it or twist it the other way to unlock it. You can go up to 3 levels of extension on this and it connects like any other GoPro type action camera does, so it's very simple to use. Number 4. Smatree Telescoping Selfie Stick. This versatile selfie stick is compatible with a wide range of devices, from GoPro cameras to smartphones. It's perfect for capturing stunning photos and videos from unique angles. Its flexible ball head allows for 360-degree rotation, giving you complete control over your shot. Easily adjust it to find the perfect angle for your next masterpiece. Extend it from 11.8 inches to 36.6 inches to get the ideal distance and framing for your photos and videos. It's perfect for group shots or capturing wide landscapes. Simply twist to adjust the length and lock it into place. It's so easy to use, you'll be capturing amazing content in no time. Made from high-quality aluminum, it's built to last. The non-slip rubber grip and hand strap provide extra security, ensuring your device stays safe and sound. It's compatible with a wide range of action cameras, smartphones, and compact cameras. Check the compatibility list to see if it works with your device. What we like? Capture the perfect shot from any angle thanks to its flexible 360-degree rotation. It extends to 36.6 inches and doubles as a tripod. If you're looking for versatility and precise shot composition, this is your best bet. What people say. Setup is a snap. I love the attachment that grips my Android, so simple to use, which I then can screw onto the tripod with either a vertical or horizontal orientation. Both are possible. The quality of both the stick and tripod is fantastic, and feels comfortable to hold with the rubber grip. The tripod feet at the bottom. That part seems really well made and is really the reason I bought the whole setup. Number 3. TELESIN G2 Ultra Long Selfie Stick. This selfie stick is perfect for group photos. It extends to an impressive 118 inches, ensuring everyone fits in the frame. It extends to over 3 meters. Capture stunning panoramic views and unforgettable moments with your friends and family. With 6 adjustable lengths, you can find the perfect position for any shot. From close-ups to wide angles, it's all possible. Made with upgraded carbon fiber, it's incredibly stable, even at its maximum length. Say goodbye to shaky videos and blurry photos. When not in use, it collapses down to a compact 17.3 inches, making it easy to pack and carry. It's your perfect travel companion. It works with a wide range of action cameras and smartphones. It also includes a tripod mount for added versatility. Capture every angle with its 360 degrees rotation. No more missed shots or awkward poses. What we like? This selfie stick extends to an impressive 118 inches, perfect for large group photos or capturing epic landscapes. The durable carbon fiber construction ensures stability. If you need to capture wide shots with minimal wobble, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It locks the stick so it doesn't collapse when you hit bumps on the road. I've hit high speeds and it didn't collapse even tough it was extended 4 feet. At this height I have a full view over myself. This selfie sticker is very handy when you're looking to take pictures from a high vantage point. The stick seems to be well made and doesn't have to be used at its maximum length, and also there's a screw bolt hole on the bottom so you can add a tripod. It takes a lot of trial and error to figure out how to extend or collapse the pole, and that's what the negative reviews are about. Once you learn it, the camera will not spin, and you can extend and secure the pole to different heights. Number 2. TEELSIN G2 Ultra Selfie Stick. It's designed for group photos, making it ideal for parties, family trips, or any gathering. Get everyone in the frame with ease. This selfie stick extends to an impressive 106 inches, offering multiple length options to suit your needs. Find the perfect distance for any shot. Made with upgraded carbon fiber, it's more stable than ever. Say goodbye to bending and wobbling, ensuring crisp, clear photos. Achieve invisible shooting by keeping your camera connection within the designated area. Capture candid moments without disrupting the scene. It features a universal tripod mount, allowing you to connect it to a tripod for even more stability, especially at longer lengths. It's also compact enough to fit in your bag. With 360 degrees rotation, you can capture every angle. Get creative and find the best perspective for your photos and videos. It supports various action cameras, offering compatibility and versatility for all your adventures. It's perfect for capturing memories on the go. What we like? Capture epic shots from afar with this 106-inch carbon fiber selfie stick. Its sturdy build minimizes wobbling, even at full extension. If you prioritize stability and reach for impressive group shots, this is the one for you. What people say. It locks the stick so it doesn't collapse when you hit bumps on the road. I've hit high speeds and it didn't collapse even tough it was extended 4 feet. At this height I have a full view over myself. This selfie sticker is very handy when you're looking to take pictures from a high vantage point. The stick seems to be well made and doesn't have to be used at its maximum length, and also there's a screw bolt hole on the bottom so you can add a tripod. It takes a lot of trial and error to figure out how to extend or collapse the pole, and that's what the negative reviews are about. Once you learn it, the camera will not spin, and you can extend and secure the pole to different heights. Number 1. UURig Extendable Selfie Stick Tripod. It's not just a selfie stick, it's also a tripod. This versatile design lets you switch between modes effortlessly for the perfect shot. Enjoy rock-solid stability thanks to its durable construction and rubber base. The reinforced tripod legs ensure your videos and photos remain shake-free. Extend it to your ideal length, from 11.4 inches to 50.7 inches, with a simple twist. It's lightweight and easy to carry, weighing only 316 g. It works with a wide range of action cameras, including GoPro, DJI Osmo Action, and more. Capture stunning footage with your favorite device. Perfect for group photos, travel, sports, and more. It's waterproof too, so you can take it anywhere. What we like? This 2-in-1 design functions as both a selfie stick and tripod, offering unparalleled versatility. Its robust build ensures stability and longevity. If you value a multifunctional and reliable device, this is perfect for you. What people say. Good grip texture with a sturdy base. It works great as a boom for small cameras, lights, or mics. This was made so well. Extremely high quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.